Yeah. So how to check Asset Explorer transaction code? So for that, first what we will do is first we'll create one asset and then do a procurement and then explore what are the information which we have in the Asset Explorer. So for creation of asset, we'll go to AS01 and we'll take Tata Motors vehicle as a asset class and company code as Tata Motors India and press enter. I'm just creating any uh, thing asset like vehicle or something. Yeah. So one asset I have created and we'll give a cost center here for that particular company code. And we'll go to asset depreciation. The useful life is 4 years and the start of the depreciation will be current month first date. We'll press enter and we'll save it. Okay, so the asset is been created now. We'll go to this asset. To for Asset Explorer, we'll go to transaction code AW01N. So this is the Asset Explorer transaction code, and you see here the acquisition value and everything is blank. In this column, everything is blank. So what we will do is even in INR or a book depreciation or a normal depreciation, it is showing up the same amount, means no amount. So for that, what we'll do is we'll start procurement of one asset F-90. So let's say if you want, you can keep a transaction code document type as KR or AA, that is based upon the decision which has been taken during the discussion with the business. Asset 001, and here I will take the vendor, press enter, and the asset value will be 40,000. Give the To procure the asset, you just need to give a 70 document posting key and give the asset which now we have created. So the asset is, so this is the asset which now we have recently created. Select that asset and give a transaction type as 100 and give amount as 10,000, or normally if we don't want to give, you can directly give star and it will take it up. Then press save. So it will create a document, and this document we will try to see and explore in Asset Explorer screen. Okay, so 19000019 is the document got created. Now we'll go to Asset Explorer AW01N. So you see this APC value 40,000 is been updated and the current uh, specific depreciation is also updated. So this depreciation is going to be deducted now when we run the depreciation area. So this is at the 01 book depreciation and this is at the group level depreciation. So one is at a local currency that is coming from a company code currency and this is coming from a group currency. So if we go to posted values, you will see 40,000 is the APC acquisition value and this is going to be our depreciation 833 for the 11th month and 833 for the 12th month. If you go to comparison, you can see here every month, because this has been deducted for 4 years depreciation, right? So this is not a complete year. That is the reason 2 months has been deducted here, and the remaining 10 months will be deducted on the last year. So the rest in between, you will see that equally distributed among the each year. So this is how you can explore the asset explorer. So you can see the cost center and all the other details here. From the asset explorer, if you want to go to master data, you can directly click on display master data. It will take you to this asset. So just you need to click here, and it will take you to this particular value. So this is how you can see a depreciation for a company code, where all the depreciation areas have a same currencies, INR, and in the book depreciation also we have a INR. So in the next video, what I will do is I will show a company code having a depreciation with a multiple currencies. Depreciation area will show a different currencies. Okay, thank you.